Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of gray dots on the application of Teams. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Teams and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop. Here you can click on storage. After that you can click clear cache. Then you can don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.